Our group, T1E1-29, chose to create a CAT 797F mining truck to depict the various strengths this haul truck possesses. The CAT 797F is a heavy-duty mining truck that focuses on hauling large payloads across mining facilities. This truck is the most up-to-date in its area, as it has improved payload capacity and horsepower to its predecessors. The CAT 797F also boasts an impressive six-wheel setup with 5,300 kilogram tires. These tires are a whopping 31 feet wide when loaded, making it 62 and a couple more feet at the rear axle. The rear-wheel drive setup for this truck, paired with the rear axle weight distribution, allows for a heavier payload. The dump bucket has a maximum carrying capacity of 400 tons and comes equipped with a pneumatic arm system for reliable and heavy-duty lifting, perfect for quarry mining operations. We first have our walkway, attached to our cockpit. This allows drivers to get into the cockpit with ease, as well as provide a safe way for drivers to get back onto the ground without risk of falling. The cockpit itself is made up of the steering wheel, the stick shift, the movable chairs, as well as doors that can close up completely or even open up at a 90-degree angle. The chairs have armrests that can move up and down to allow for maximum comfort. The 797F comes with a rear axle mounted 7-speed planetary transmission using an integral lockup torque converter. Unlike other haul trucks, Caterpillar transmissions are hydraulic powered instead of usual diesel electric transmissions. The real workhorse of this truck is in the CAT C175-20 ACERT engine. Showcasing an impressive V20 design with quad turbos, this 105.8-liter 4-stroke diesel-powered engine can output enough energy to power more than 350 average American homes by itself. This engine weighs 51,588 pounds, and it measures 21.8 feet long at 7.6 feet wide, making it one of the largest engines in any land vehicle. It comes equipped with an 8.7-inch stroke and a 6.9-inch bore, giving it a fuel consumption rate of 274.4 gallons per hour. Surprisingly, this is the most efficient of the CAT engines, beating out the 797 and 797B. Here we have the exploded view of the engine, showcasing its inner components and demonstrating the capability of moving the pistons in sequence.